Hey there, guys. Chet here. Today, we're going to compare Shopify and Squarespace in a very simple and easy to understand way. So, if you're confused about which one is better for building your online store, you're in the right place. By the end, you will know which platform fits your needs perfectly. But before we get started, let me give you a special offer. If you want to build your Shopify store the right way today, check out the link that we put below. It includes a 3-day Shopify free trial and the $1 per month offer. You'll also get my complete Shopify course so that you can set everything up from start to finish with confidence. Now, let's get started. First off, let me start with a quick overview of both platforms. Shopify is one of the most popular e commerce builders in the world. It is made mainly for selling online, running a store, handling payments, and growing your business. Everything inside of Shopify is specifically designed to meet individual needs or requirements for e commerce. Now, on the other hand, Squarespace is well known for its beautiful website designs. It started as a website builder for portfolio sites, blogs, and business pages, and later added e commerce tools. Because of this, Squarespace is very strong at design, while Shopify is very strong at selling. Next, let's talk about features. Shopify gives you a full set of e commerce tools from day one. You get inventory management, product pages, discount options, abandoned cart recovery, apps for almost anything you could possibly want, and support for many payment methods. Shopify also works well for small and large stores because it can handle a lot of products without slowing down. It offers thousands of apps that help with marketing, drop shipping, reviews, shipping labels, and more. These features make Shopify one of the best platforms for serious online sellers. Now, Squarespace focuses on design features. It gives you high quality templates that look clean and professional. It's great for people who want a beautiful website with simple e commerce added on top. You can sell products, track basic inventory, offer digital downloads, and run simple checkout pages. Squarespace is perfect for small stores, artists, creators, and people who want a stylish site without too many advanced tools. However, it does not have the same level of e commerce customization and app support that Shopify offers. Let's talk about ease of use. Shopify is very easy to use, even for those of you who may be beginners. The dashboard is clean and everything you need is in one place. Adding products, changing themes, and connecting apps only take a few clicks. Now, Squarespace is also easy, especially for building beautiful pages. Its drag and drop editor makes your site look great without needing any design skills. So, if design matters more to you, Squarespace feels amazing to use. If e commerce tools matter more, then Shopify is easier in the long run because it is built for store owners. Finally, let's compare pricing. Shopify has 4 plans. The basic plan is $25 per month. Grow is $65 per month. Advanced is $399 per month. And the Plus plan starts at $2,300 per month on a long term contract. Squarespace also has 4 plans. The personal plan is $25 per month. Business is $36 per month. Commerce is $40 per month. And the advanced commerce plan is $72 per month. So, which platform do you choose? If your main goal is to build and grow an online store, then well, Shopify is the stronger choice because it has better e-commerce tools, more apps, and more flexibility for long-term growth. But if you want a stylish website with simple selling features, Squarespace is a great option because it focuses on design and is easy to customize visually. All right, that's it for this video. If you want to start your Shopify store today, check that link below. You unlock the 3-day Shopify free trial, the $1 per month offer, and my full Shopify course that will take you from setup to launch. If this comparison helped you, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.